Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so setup won't fail. Check whether your work account is Exchange or Office 365. This determines automatic configuration. Once done, open the Outlook app and choose Add Account. Enter your full work email. If prompted, pick work or school account versus personal. Make sure you also permit Outlook to access calendar and contacts. These permissions let meetings and contacts sync seamlessly. You now handle authentication and the middle configuration steps. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the corporate login and approve the multi-factor prompt. This secures your mailbox. If automatic setup fails, choose manual setup and type server, domain, and security type, IMAP for mail versus Exchange for full sync. Then set sync frequency and which folders to sync. This controls data usage and notification timing, so pick what fits your workflow. You finish by validating that mail and calendar work correctly. Send a test message and create a calendar event. Confirm folders, search, and delegated access behave as expected. Once synced, customize signature and swipe actions so daily tasks are faster. If mail won't sync, check network, clear the app cache, or remove and re-add the account if the problem persists. Verify mobile device management or conditional access policies with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.